Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to send photo snaps on Snapchat. The first method, taking and sending new pictures. Open the Snapchat. This resembles a white ghost icon on a yellow background. If you aren't logged into Snapchat, log in and enter your username and password. Then, swipe right on the camera screen. This action will take you to the Chats tab. Then tap on a contact name. Doing this will open a chat window with a specific contact. Tap the camera icon. It's to the left of the space where you would type your message to send a text chat. You may need to tap allow to let Snapchat access your camera roll here. Then tap the circle button at the bottom of the screen and take a snap like usual. To switch cameras, tap rectangle with arrows in the top right corner of your screen. The camera will capture what's on the screen and shows it to you, so you have the opportunity to edit it before sending it. Then tap the icon of the paper airplane in the bottom right corner to send the captured image. The method 2, sending a picture from your gallery. In this contact, tap the double card icon. You'll see all the photos that are on your camera displayed at the bottom of your screen. Tap a picture to send. You can tap one picture to send or tap to select multiple pictures. The top photos will display a blue check mark in the center to indicate that they are selected and will send. And last, tap the send arrow. It's in the bottom right corner of your screen. Doing so will send your photo to your selected contact. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.